box step with regular time, also with bass time. We did a rock step with the neck roll first. Then we did, from the neck roll, we did a turn into a shadow position. Yes, and then exit. We did a body roll to get us back in time. So we did a lot of change the timing. So first, we'll do the box step, regular time. Step, 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 and tap, step, 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 tap. Now if we do it bass timing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8, 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. Then from here you can go straight into the rock step or just do a basic to always reset. 6, 7, rocking step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follows, allow the hand to go over your head. 4, we're gonna lean you towards your right side. Preppy on the left. You're gonna go down and collect. Yes, 7, 8. So if we do this again, leads, you go from the palms. As you send the arm back, follows, you're gonna do also a rotation because you're gonna follow the arm. Leads, grab the wrist, bring it back to you. And with this hand, we do this. As this is happening with the left. Then we do the neck roll, 5, 6, 7, prep into a turn, 2, 3, into a left over right. We're gonna do shadow. From the shadow, to get into shadow, you do step, tap, follows, make sure that your arm is here, and then step, tap, we're gonna close. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I keep going this way, I'm gonna still be on the follows timing. So I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. To get back to my timing, I use a body roll. 5, 6, 7, collect. Here I can do a basic again, or I can do a rock step. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the prep. Make sure, Liz, you're holding the follow here from the waist. Otherwise, if you don't hold, the follow will keep going. And they're going to unwind up. So make sure you have these points of connection. My right hand on the waist, the right side of my body, behind her, my diaphragm too. It's not the hips, it's the diaphragm. So I'm expanding my chest and my diaphragm. And then right here, I have tension. Yes, remember what I talked to you about tension? We got a middle in the middle. If I don't give the follow tension, it's gonna be like this. If the follow don't give us tension, let go. She's gone. Aquí, tension. And leads, please, when you do the rock step, don't do it here. Keep it here. You're gonna lift on the prep. 1, 2, here's the prep. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna do it this way. Ready, Janelsa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. I could have done that on the first 8 count. 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Good job, guys.